So on today's video, it's the first impressions of a company called Barts Beard Oils. I think that's right. It's right, Barts Beard Oils. Let's check them out. So the Barts Beard Oil come in a little gift set, and these are actually 10 milliliters in each of the beard oils, and it comes in this little tin. It's got their little note about being handmade in Scotland, and it's very similar to the Mobros tin, so it's not a bad way to do it. There's a slight bubble in the bit, but the overall finish is quite pleasant. So let's just quickly talk about the scents in each of these products. So we've got lavender oil in one of them, so it's just a lavender oil based scent. Let's just open this up and see if I can get a whiff of it. Yeah, you can definitely smell some lavender in there. That real floral notes coming through there. I'm just seeing what the ingredients are. So we've got coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, and then lavender oil. I'm assuming these guys have done all the proper cosmetic reviews and stuff. I'll find that out with all the products I review and let you know in the description below. And for this one, we've got a cinnamon and patchouli, which I'm not the biggest fan of patchouli. I like cinnamon. I mean, it's one of those lovely winter, autumn type spices, really fitting for this time of year. But that feels like a really masculine sort of aftershave actually. So I'd say that product could be a winner. So this one was the one that I picked up earlier. It's the Amber and Moroccan Jasmine. I don't really know what to expect from this. Oh, I'm sure I can smell it, but the previous one, the cinnamon and the patchouli, was really strong. It's really stayed up my nose, so it's quite delicate, this one. So we've got here a grapefruit and pink pepper. Don't really know what pink pepper is. It smells quite nice though. So here we've got just lime oil, and I love lime oil. That's good. That's the lime I like. Real simple scents. Like sometimes you don't need to mix a lot of scents in. Just having one scent in there can actually make a product really refreshing, really nice. So yeah, like that could be quite a nice product. So this one again, just a single oil. It's peppermint oil. It's an essential oil, so back to the natural ingredients there. Yeah, I can get a small kick of peppermint oil. Very subtle, but once again, I think it's the type of bottle that's doing that. So not too bad there with the scent. So we just got two more now, and this one is a rosemary and sandalwood. I mean, I wouldn't personally use this. It kind of, I don't know, for me it's kind of something your nan would have on. Like, it's a little bit old fashioned, that scent. It doesn't do it for me, but it's not a bad scent whatsoever. I just wouldn't want that sat in my beard really. And the last one is a bergamot and vanilla. It's another perfume based one that smells like an aftershave as well. I mean, I've smelled so much here that it gets a little bit confusing when you're on to the last one out of 8 oils in a row, but it smells pleasant, so I'm looking forward to trying that one out, potentially more than any of the other ones, apart from actually the cinnamon and patchouli one. I think that might be a winner actually. Yeah, let me know what you thought of like the bottles. I'd be interested to know. Just drop a comment, because it's quite interesting, the choice of beard oil bottles there. But until next time guys, goodbye.